if you guys saw my last video, you guys saw that we headed out to Mexico this past Thursday. If you guys saw my last update on the channel, ran into a little bit of an issue coming back from the races. Hit a deer. So it was a very, very big deer, and surprisingly that was the damage. Smashed the hood up. The radiator support seems a little bit bent on this side here, but the intercooler was saved. Minor fin damage right there, but that shouldn't be an issue whatsoever. Even the lip lasted, which I know it's not the prettiest, but came off a parts car that I slapped on. It's like a Home Depot style lip. But just wanted to give you guys a little update on this. We're going to be fixing it. I just picked up a hood, but just to show you guys how bent this is here. I mean, that's cowled up pretty bad, but this is the majority of the damage. So figured I'd bring you guys along, show you guys the little rebuild process I'm going to do with this. I won't be able to video a whole lot. I haven't been able to get my GoPro stand or anything like that going up yet, but I mean, even the headlight was saved, surprisingly. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on this. I also wanted to give a little shout out. I'm sure you guys have heard, if you're in the Mitsubishi game, of Mr. GSX rocking the Save the Eclipse shirts right here. Check him out. Super awesome guy. He's doing a Panda build similar to this. But he's going, you know, full SEMA show status. He just got the roll cage in and stuff. So make sure you guys check out his channel. It's Mr. GSX. Check him out on Instagram. Check him out on Facebook. Super cool guy. Just like me trying to save this Eclipse now. Told you guys about the sentimental value with this car, so I was pretty bummed out when I heard what happened to it. Well, heard and saw what happened to it because I was the one driving, but still a little shook up about it, but you know, we'll get through it. Haven't really done a full walkthrough on the car. I had some people message me about that, so I figured I'd show you guys kind of how it is. Nothing pretty. It's gonna get painted soon, so all this stuff is here. See some clear coat coming off there. It's on the Enki Evo 9 wheels with the Federal 595s, so pretty awesome tire setup. I highly recommend these if you really want to put some of the power to the ground on these street setups. It hooks very well. Other than that, for the most part, it's just got the 2GB conversion, as you guys can see. Again, it's going to get painted, so all these holes are going to get filled, and I got a new trunk for it, so that this is going to be all gone. It's got some little rust on there, which is common on these. And just picked up a hood. Show you guys that. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's not bad. It's got some clear coat fading on it, but it's very straight. So I might do some videos on that. I might prep it and spray it myself. I've never painted. I am not a painter, but you know, I want to learn. So we're gonna try some new stuff. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little update. This is the other side of the hood here, but overall, I mean, it could be worse, but it's what we're gonna do. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So a little more content coming on that car. I'm gonna do a little kind of cinematic detail on it and show you guys some videos and some pictures of that car once it's all cleaned up. Gorgeous car, needs to be appreciated. That's an amazingly built car. And again, that's my buddy Luis's car. So if you've seen my other videos on my channel, you'll see who that is and why that car is so significant, especially in this area here. Very well-known guy. So yeah, that's about it. I have some projects in the works for this truck. That's my 2000 Silverado 5.3, single cab, obviously, V8. We're going to be doing a C-notch kit. We're going to be doing some wheels, and who knows, maybe there's going to be some turbo fun going on here. So you guys want to see some of that? I need a little bit more momentum on this build right now. So if I get a lot of interest in it, definitely going to do a turbo build. I started sourcing already a catch can for it. I have I know there's a mess in there, but an exhaust manifold in there for the turbo setup. And I have a spare T70 turbo that has just been sitting here for about a year. It's like new, that I can always put in as well. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Been super busy trying to source some stuff and personal things going on, but we're gonna get back into the groove of things. So catch you guys soon. I'm gonna leave you guys off with maybe a few pictures. What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I started working on the radiator support. I thought I was gonna have to replace it, but the more I dug into it, these things are very durable. They bent just a tad bit. As you guys can see, I had to remove my whole setup here, which wasn't too bad at all. I removed the front radiator, the front mount intercooler. It had no condenser on it, so it had no issues there. This area here was the worst, and you guys can see there. So this part here was about 2-3 inches back, very close to the alternator. So what I personally did, I took off the radiator, obviously, the headlights, and what I did is I heated this area up here. Can't really see it, but I got it more through the back end, and I was able to just hammer it out fairly easy. This area here where the hood latch goes to, it's pretty bent, so you guys can just see the extent of how much this thing bent. So this should have been like that. This isn't a big deal. I'm going to cut this off here, bolt that to this one, and then have it just sitting there, which has worked for a lot of people in the past. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I did, how I fixed this. I'll show you guys right now. I did get the replacement hood right over here, so I'm going to show you guys kind of how it sits now. So if you guys looked at my last video, you guys could see the big arch right here in this area. So I'll show you guys how it closes now. So I got the gap pretty spot on. I'm not a body man by any means, but if you tell me that doesn't look good or not, I think it looks pretty straight. I'll show you guys this body line over here too. Tad bit of an arch here, but actually that was there before I even bought the car. You guys can see where this fender here had a little gap. But yeah, making some progress, guys. I'm gonna put on the headlights, test fit everything back on, and hopefully give you guys an update video on the car fully finished. If not, I might post some pictures there, or if not, there's no pictures there, then still work in progress, but we'll get there. Show you guys an updated video. Got this one in pretty much figured out now.